So, get a load of these beauties. Look at this. These are some beautiful glasses. I have a party that's coming up. I'm going to show you what I do or how you can create these glasses. Now, this is for a makeup party. So, definitely you're going to want to see how to create this because, you know, I do parties and everything. I always come up with an idea. So stay tuned if you want to see how these beautiful glasses are made. Bye. One, you know me. It's Sunday. It is DIY. So today I'm going to show you how these beautiful, well, I'm going to tell you how these beautiful glasses are made because to show you, you're going to understand why I'm not showing you, but I'm going to tell you how to achieve this. I have a party. She's having a makeup party, and she requested some glasses. So I was like, I'm always thinking of something, but these glasses are just beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. How cute is that? You're pink. What you saw all the glasses because she's having about 20 people. So what you would need, of course, is an empty glass, first of all. You can get these glasses from Dollar Tree. You'll need your different, let me pull this down. So you'll need your different, colored paints. I use the Folk Arts paints. You need your paint brushes, of course, and your different types of stones. I have all kinds of designs. You see that? I have all kinds of designs. And you'll need your paint pens. These are paint pens. They have some bigger, some smaller, but I use the ones, with like a little curved tip. You can see that. I use that with a little curved tip. But I usually take and I freehand the designs on the glasses. She requested the shoes because she's just a shoe lover, as you know, a lot of us are. She's a shoe lover. So, to achieve this, like I said, I freehand these. Pull this up. I freehand a lot of the designs and everything. But you can, put your own design on it as well. You can always, if you can't freehand, like me, or what have you, you're not a freehand drawer, you can always take and find, pictures of shoes, things like that, on the internet, just Google, like, cartoon shoes, and you can always print that out and take, like maybe like put the design inside the glass, and draw it yourself. But once, before you draw, I usually draw them all in black. So I draw them in black, and once that is not too much dry, but I haven't touched it or smeared it or anything, I get to filling in the shoe color, to put the design and everything on the glass. And after that, you need to take these glasses, turn them upside down on a cookie sheet. A cookie sheet works best because it has, the holes and everything in it. It can breathe. And you take and you put them in the oven on 350 for 45 minutes. And then take and turn the oven off. Open the door, just let it cool off completely, and there you have it. Your shoe is on there. You can come back and you can put the little crystals on there or whatever crystal design you would like to put on your glasses or what have you. So that's our DIY for today. But she also, by being a makeup party, she requested, she requested four, four brushes, 4 brushes. She gave me the brushes to put in there. 4 brushes and a sponge. And this is what we're going to do. Put it in the glass. Because, of course, we're going to have it, you know, make it look cute. And I have the little sheer. We're going to put that over it. Uh-oh. I can wrap in 2 glasses. Wait. Let me find my ribbon. There we go. We're going to put that over that and take and tie it at the bottom. So it will be all, you know, all cute and everything for when you arrive to pick up your glasses. So, how cute is that? And you're finished. Let me see, yes. You see, and you're finished. That is cute. You have your little glass. Now, I mean, I'm going to leave you my site running across for the many things that I sell, because I also sell the glasses. I can put the brushes in there for you, you know, makeup or what have you. I sell them as well on my site. So, thanks for watching. If you're new, welcome. And as always, have a wonderful DIYing day. Don't forget to subscribe. You stop by. You're looking at me. I'm looking at you. Press that little button down there. Press that little button and ring that bell so you won't miss another. Bye.